Hello friends, in drafting today we will see this principal view. This principal view is nothing but it is a projection view. If you want to create any projection from the source view, that time we will use this principal. So for this principal view, first we have to create one view. So this time I am selecting another example. So example I am taking as 5:1. I think it is sufficient, or 2 is to 1. Let's see, 2 is to 1, it is a little bit smaller. So 5 is to 1. Unclick. Now escape, because I don't want more view with this view wizard. My base view is this, my source view is this. Now I want to generate other view, projection view, with this principal view. Click over this and automatically it will create. So this is my top view. Click, and here this is my front view. You can see. Escape and select tool and click here and drag it, so it will come. Again, if you want to create some view with this source view, so click here and I'm clicking over here, so the view is coming. Okay, the projection will come with respect to selected view. Here you want, here you want, okay, and here. So click anywhere where you want the view. So I don't need this, delete it and click here and delete this one. So projection view is basically a principal view is a projection view.